and editing videography. Videography and editing skills refer to the ability to capture and edit high-quality videos for various purposes, such as marketing, entertainment, education, and social media. In today's digital age, video content has become increasingly popular, and businesses and individuals alike need to have the skills to create compelling and engaging videos to attract and retain audiences. Being proficient in videography and editing can open up various opportunities for careers in media, advertising, film, and marketing. It is your turn to speak. 3, 2, 1, go! Great job! Comment, subscribe, or contact me at this number. Bye!